Hi guys, welcome to Vindhya Lifestyle, and here we go with my newly renovated kitchen. This is the very known, recently I planted pudina. So this gives a very good fragrance in the kitchen. And here there's a cup stand. These are the coffee mugs which I and my children got it for birthdays and all the occasions. And this is the turkey set, the kava set, and the cup and the saucer. This is Arabic set. You can see there's a lighting for this now. This recently made this. This is the glory. You can see the light will be reflected from the glass, which makes the golden plated shine. Ice cream cups and the buffet plates. The bowls and the soup cups. And this is my vlogging place. Very soon you can see my cooking vlogs. And this is one of my favorite. And this is Rotimatic. This is atta, oil, water, mixed with salt. And here's microwave oven, induction, and waffle maker. It closes by itself. Below the sink as well, we have a ample of space. It closes by itself. Comes my new sink. Do you think this is blank? No, not at all. And here comes the first tray. And then here is the second tray. And this is a chopping board. First take vegetables. Once it is washed, you can open the lid and drain it. You can also wash it like this. You can see here. This is really playful for my children. They'll be washing the vegetable and fruits always, and it's my easy go now. Completely get drained. So nice for me. No need to wash the basin. It just get drained. The last water drop also you can see. Once it is washed, you can move the chopping board. Next, one more plate. This is a dishwasher. This is how they clean their water bottle by themselves. So clean. And next, the last one. This is the drinking water. This is the RO connector. So this is the one which is make my work easy now.